Students, I had promised you that every video I record in Hindi, I am also going to record in English, because a lot of students have joined our September batch from South, and I want to make sure that students who are not able to understand Hindi are also able to follow these motivational videos we are putting out for students. The title of this video is Lessons for NEET Aspirants from Chandrayaan Mission, right? A lot of you would have been awake last night. A lot of you would have been hoping, praying, very excited that India will land a satellite on the moon, right? And in the last 2.1 kilometers, after such a long journey for so many months, right? Something went wrong in the last 2.1 kilometer. So I wanted to discuss what happened, and I wanted to discuss what are the implications for the NEET aspirants. A lot of you who are preparing for NEET, what does it mean? What does it mean to not succeed? What does it mean to get setbacks? What does it mean to learn something from setbacks and do something about it, right? So first of all, understand this, students. The first question to ask is, did the mission fail? No, the mission did not fail. Mission did not fail. They reached 2.1 kilometers within the lunar surface. 2.1 kilometers, right? And whatever went wrong, they will do a detailed post-mortem, and they might be looking very disappointed, all the scientists in ISRO yesterday, including the chairman K. Sivan. But within one day, they would already be planning, okay, we have the data, guys, let's do a detailed analysis for 7 more days, and let's figure out when we can launch our satellite next, because we were so close, now we are going to get through. Now we are going to get through, right? This would happen to a lot of you as well. You have dropped once, twice, you reached very close, not able to get government college. You say to yourself, boss, I know I need one more jump, I'll be there. The scientists are not thinking very differently. Can anyone take away the learning which will make ISRO successful next time? No. No one can take away the learning, right? When you fight hard, when you work hard, when you put all your effort, right? That effort is there with you. The learning that comes with that effort is going to be there with you. You are going to be wiser. You will make sure you don't do the same mistake again, right? And this is very important learning for your NEET exam. When we started neetprep.com, we did not know it is going to become the largest online coaching for NEET preparation in India. Today it is. And we would wonder for 2 years, when would more students come? When would more students come? And then it started happening. You will also figure out your preparation, right? 2 year, 3 year, 5 years. Some people are preparing for 5 years also. For 3rd May, 3-hour performance. 3rd May, 3-hour performance, right? And you get setbacks every day. If you have taken a video course, you watch the video, difficult concept, not able to understand, you go back, try and understand again. Still don't understand, go back, try and understand again. But then you figure it out. Suddenly the bulb, oh my God, this is how the concept happens, now you understand, right? You try and do questions. Same question, you are stuck, trying to understand how this is happening, how this is happening. You see the solution also, not able to understand. Then you try 2-3 more questions, and then suddenly bulb goes off. Okay, I understand, right? You write tests, mock tests, right? Which you get in a course. First test you write, you get 400. You know 600 is safe score, right? What do you do? One option is, it is not my cup of tea, I'll not be able to get through NEET. Wrong, 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 wrong. You have to do post-mortem. What went wrong? I thought I knew morphology in flowering plants. I did not. This particular concept in fluorescence, I have to study in detail. I did a question wrong on that. I have to study collision. I did something wrong in that. I have to study buffer solution. Something went wrong in that. You make those corrections, next time you get 450. Now you have confidence, something going wrong. You can't think that you will never reach 600. Next time you reach, right, you will again do postmortem, right? Then you reach 500, you again do postmortem, right? You get 390. Don't get disappointed, guys. Again do postmortem. The students who have got success don't reach their final score in the first test. They get setbacks. From setbacks, they find out their weak areas. They work on their weak areas. They never give up. They never give up. And you also can never give up. So the question is, can we succeed without suffering setbacks? Students, understand this. In this exam, you are going to become an adult from a child. You would learn how to handle pressure. Imagine standing for 72 hours non-stop in casualty, getting all kind of patients, their angry relatives, trying to handle the relatives on one side, patient's problem on another side, and trying to handle the fatigue that you would have, the tiredness that you would feel, right? But that is the opportunity which makes you a person of steel. That is the opportunity which makes you a mature individual. That is the opportunity through which you learn how to do things under immense pressure. And this is your first learning that is happening, students. So understand this. A setback is an opportunity to learn. A setback is not an opportunity to give up. If you want to give up, then you don't deserve to be a doctor. Because the doctor lives under extreme pressure and performs and serves the patients. You need to learn to handle pressure. You need to learn to handle setbacks. There would be times when you would treat a patient, do your best, and he will die. Doesn't mean you did not work hard enough. It would only mean you would go through the reports meticulously. You would try and understand what you could have done better. Same here. What went wrong? What you did not understand in the video, go back, see again and again and again. A lot of students who take our video course say, sir, video course is extremely beneficial because it is not like a classroom where everything finishes in one go. If I don't understand something, I can watch it at my own pace. I can take it back 3 times, 5 times, 10 times. And students who have gotten selected from our platform tell us that that is the biggest benefit in a video course. That if you're not able to understand, you can try again and again and again. And students, unless you try again and again and again, things are not going to get absorbed here. Understand this, right? So, when you don't get your desired result, forget about 3rd May. In your daily preparation, when you don't get your desired result, you should not feel disheartened and disappointed, and you should not feel that it is not your cup of tea. That is the opportunity to sit down, peacefully figure out what is going wrong, fix it. Fix it, guys. You have the complete video course, right? A lot of students, I'm telling you, tell me this is the biggest benefit of the video course compared to going to a classroom program, right? So I told you this is how you handle setbacks, and this would make you better individual. After that, you get into NEET or not, if you are able to learn to handle pressure, if you are able to learn to work hard every day for 8 months, 12 months, 24 months, you would become an individual who would be successful in life, whatever you do. And these ISRO scientists, they would have been looking tired, disappointed yesterday. They would have gone home, slept, came back tomorrow morning, okay guys, do we have the data? Can we plan out for the next landing? That is the attitude that you have. Every day you work hard, you sleep, you might not have gotten the required result. You promise to yourself, tomorrow I am going to fix the problem. This is how life happens, and this is the biggest learning out of the Chandrayaan mission. It is not a failure, it is a success. And every time you face a setback in your NEET preparation, and then you work hard, do the postmortem and fix the problem, you are also a success. Hopefully students, you understood the message I was trying to give in this video.